Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. If you are new here, I am Faisal and I am here to help you master the world of SEO. Today, we are talking about a critical part of SEO that you can control directly, on-page SEO. Whether you are a blogger, business owner or content creator, mastering on-page SEO is the key to rank higher on search engine. Let's dive in it. On-page SEO refers to the practice of optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engine. It includes both the content on the page and the HTML scorecode that can be optimized. Let's explain how you can implement this step by step. We are going to cover 5 essential elements of on-page SEO that every beginner should know. Number 1. Start with keyword research. Before you even begin creating content, start with keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engine. Use tools like Google, Keywords Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find relevant keywords for your topic. Once you have identified your primary keywords, make it the focus on your page. Number 2. Optimize your title tag and meta description. Your title tag is one of the most important ranking factor. Make sure it includes your primary keywords and stay under 60 characters to avoid getting cut off on search results. The meta description, on the other hand, does not directly impact ranking but can boost your click-through rate. CTR. Keep it conscious and preserves. Number 3. Write high-quality, keyword-rich content. Now it's time to create your content. Aim for content that is informative, engaging, and valuable to your audience. Use your primary keyword naturally throughout the content, but don't overdo it. This is called keyword stuffing, and it can hurt your ranking. Sprinkle related keywords or LSI keywords to make your content more comprehensive. Number 4. Use header tags to structure your content. Headers like H1, H2, H3, and so on help organize your content and make it easier to both users and search engines to understand. Your H1 tag should be the main tag of your page and includes your primary keywords. Use H2, H3 tags for subheading to break your content into reliable sections. Number 5. Optimize image and media. Do not forget to optimize your image. Use descriptive file name and add all text to every image. This not only improves accessibility but also helps search engine understand what your image are about. Compress your image to reduce file size and improve your site loading speed. Faster loading page rank higher. Let's quickly recap the 5 key steps to on-page SEO. Number 1. Start with keyword research. Number 2. Optimize your title tag and meta description. Number 3. Write high quality keyword rich content. Number 4. Use header tags to structure your content. Number 5. Optimize image and media. Mastering this basic will put you ahead many competitors and set a strong foundation for your SEO success. It for today's video. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. I hope you like this video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.